Okay, I have some fantastic inexpensive equipment. I'm going to do a little bit on Canva. Everything can be done with your phone these days, putting it all together. However, this never replaces the need for professional photography. It's just to get you out of a pickle in some cases. All right. So we all understand why images are so important for e-commerce, and that's because our clients buy with their eyes because they can't touch and feel our products. Okay, so here's some of the stuff that I've purchased lately, and all of this, apart from your phone, is under $100. So I've got this little light box, which is really cool if you've got small products. I bought this ring light, and then this is my new contraption today, which I'm really excited to have some fun with it on the weekend. So, okay, so phone. Most people have a phone. That little light box was $25. That ring light you can get at Kmart for $19, and that mobile phone holder is about $56 on Amazon or eBay. So really cheap. $100 will get you out of jail. The next thing I really love is Canva. There's a free version, or the $17 is definitely worth paying for, and I'm going to do a little demo in a sec. But where the money is for your brand kit, color palette, background removal for hero shots while you're waiting for your photographer to do your professional ones, content planning for socials, and infographics. Okay, so I'm just going to do a little rundown on how fantastic Canva is and how easy it is. Now, this is the Pro version. So if you want to create a hero shot for Amazon, you need 1,000 pixels by 1,000 pixels. So you just type it in and you go create. Now, because we all know Neil loves red wine, I'm going to remove the background on a red wine. I'm just going to find an image. This one will do. There you go. You click, move it over. I'm going to get rid of this stuff. Don't need that. Don't need that. So let's pretend we've ordered some red wine glasses to sell on Amazon or eBay or wherever you want to sell. And we want to get the background out. Just going to get rid of that. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. So I click on the background color and you go edit image. Now you have to have the Pro version for this, but you just go click background remover. Ta-da. Now there's a little bit that's not right. How quick was that?
That's so cool.
So see this restore button? You just fill it in. You can shrink the little brush and you just fix it up like that. And then you just name it, red wine glass, and you download. And then you can upload it straight into Amazon. So that is one reason to have it. The next part that I absolutely love about Canva is this brand kit. Okay, so you can pick your colors. Let's say we want to go for beachy colors. If you hover onto your little color there, put that into Google, that will give you RG, what is it? RGB. Yeah, you can get all the different printing styles that your supplier might use. So if you have a bright blue like that, your packaging won't end up that color or your print. So it's really cool. So you just pop that number into Google. And this gives you consistency for all your branding. You can have your font uploaded here and you put your logo in. Very, very simple. So every time you're going to do a post on socials, which is, here's the content planner here. All you need to do and I batch a month at a time, is you click on the plus sign. Here's our, here we go, AOE. And you just pick whatever social that your tribe or your brand people are hanging out.
So I've got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, to the group,
yep,
Pinterest,
LinkedIn, Slack, Tumblr, just brilliant.
Yeah.
So you can muck around, have a lot of fun, and then you just go click, 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 off you go. Do a month at a time. So that's fun. So you've got brand kit, content planner, and background removal. And that's just the tiny little bit that, you know, just showing you quickly. So why? So our modern phones are so great for doing photographs. If anyone's got an iPhone, I've been mucking around with portrait mode and it is absolutely brilliant. You can do your own videos and unboxing demos, or there's always Kate's lovely daughter Kira that can help us out with that. But if you're bootstrapping, you can do a bit yourself. YouTube Shorts, I've had a lot of success with them lately. Reels, Facebook, Insta, and TikTok. It's really good. Okay, posts. As I said before, pick a social where your customer hangs out. Think about your client. Be consistent. Batch on Canva. Use your hashtags. Keep on brand. So keep your fonts and your colours. And this can provide credibility if you don't have a website or a trademark. So if people think, who's that? I'm looking at 2 products on Amazon, not sure which one to buy, they might Google you, and at least if you've got this. So I bought all this equipment for under $100, and Canva's very reasonable at $17.99 a month. You can do photography, stills, and video. Can help avoid issues. Rosie will probably back me up with this. Sometimes if you put a hero image up and you start your sort of skeleton listing ready to do a shipping plan, you can have trouble changing these things. So if you do a great hero image on Canva, that will help. It's brilliant for brand consistency, social media, fonts, colors. I love that the mobile phone holder with the light. I just bought that and it arrived yesterday. It's because my family never want to help me and hold my phone when I want to do a video, so it's really good. So you can learn new skills, have lots of fun, and if you're bootstrapping, you know, you want to use your money for stock, and then you can save up and engage the professional photographer when you have the funds.
And what does the, you know, you're using the holder, is that just a tripod or is there more to it than that?
It's just brilliant. I'll go back to the show slide here. Yeah, so it's got a light on both sides. So you can you see it here? You can do video. You can, like, it'll hold you so you can watch yourself or use auto cue. It has lights back, front, you can bend. And this is really heavy. And then there's a little remote here that'll take photos. It'll take the photos or start your video, and you can change the lights to a more yellow light or a white light.
Oh, brighter. I get it. Yeah.
$56. Like,
that's cheap as chips. Yeah,
so I've done a few videos. So you can turn it around so you can have your product here, like, and do a demo with those people that don't want to be in a demo. Just have your hands in there, you know, like for food or anything like that. It's just brilliant. So really good fun. I'm going to be mucking around with that a lot. Okay. Summary. So goals for 2022, have a go. Doesn't have to be perfect. Have some fun and learn new skills. If you don't like it, you can outsource it, but having Canva will be really good for your VA. You just send them their, you know, the password through LastPass, and that they can do it all for you. Keep moving forward with a positive mindset and create a brand to be proud of.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Over 2,500 members and growing. We're actually the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do at the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I will see you on the inside. Until then, bye!